Welcome back. Let's have another example of one like this. This time I'll choose question 2, part A, which reads y equals 2x cubed plus 3. Now, although it doesn't quite look like it, this is still in the same format, where we have translated the point of inflection. So let's see what we could do. It doesn't look like we have a bracket with x take a number. So I'll rewrite this as x subtract 0 cubed plus 3. Now it's a bit clunky to write it like that, but it makes it very, very clear that a equals positive 2, that h equals 0, and that k equals 3. So I've got to compare with my original cubic. My original cubic, remember, would have a point of inflection at the origin. Now, where am I translating my point of inflection? 0 steps to the left or right, 3 steps upwards. So let's go upwards by 3 steps. I'll change to red for this one. So that's the point of inflection. Now this a equals 2. Usually, of course, on a cubic, if you were to take 1 step to the right, you would go 1 step upwards. And if you took 1 step to the left, you'd go 1 step downwards. So we have a little y value here of positive 1, negative 1. Because this one has a dilation factor of 2, it means that our new, if we were to take 1 step to the right here, compared to that point, I would be 2 steps upwards. And 1 step to the right here, I would be 2 steps downwards. So this cubic, apart from being translated, it's also going to display some sort of a vertical dilation, vertical stretch. It's a pretty rough diagram. We'll get a much better impression if we use technology to sketch that. So let's just go back and modify this previous one. We're going to change that to plus 3. That's going to be 0. And then I'll have to have a positive 2 there. And it's a bit off the top of the screen, but I think you can get the idea there. So we've definitely got the point of inflection translated upwards, and whereas the original was 1 step to the right, 1 step upwards, this one is from the inflection point, 1 step to the right, 2 steps upwards, or 1 step to the left, and 2 steps downwards, due to that dilation factor 2. That's enough this time. Thanks for watching.